Hi there, welcome to Browsify. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up Google Merchant Center and connecting it with your Shopify store. This will allow you to sync your products with Google and make them visible in Google Shopping. First, let's go to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Google and select the Google and YouTube from the results. Click on Install to add the app to your store. Once the app is installed, open it and connect it with your Google account. Now, click on Create New to set up a new Google Merchant Center account for your store. After a few seconds, your Google Merchant Center account will be created successfully. Next, you need to add some essential information to complete the setup. Start by adding your refund policy and terms of service. Once you've filled in the required fields, verify that the information is correct. Next, agree to the terms of Google Merchant Center to finalize the setup. Click Complete Setup to finish the process. You should now see a message confirming that your Google Merchant Center account is successfully linked to your Shopify store. Now, head over to the Google Merchant Center homepage to complete the missing information like shipping, return policy, and wait for Google to review your products, which have been automatically synced with Google Merchant Center. And that's it. You've successfully set up and connected Google Merchant Center to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.